this is Andrea. In today's video, I'd like to show you a set of really fun nails you can do all together like I did, or use in any of your other manicures. This is a video for all animal lovers, as we'll be drawing a panda, a little pig, a penguin, and a chicken. If you'd like to see how to draw other animals, please let me know in the comments below and I'll film a part 2. First, I'll be showing you how to draw a panda. They're so cute, one of my favorite animals, so I had to figure out how to draw a little panda on my nails. I'll start with a green nail polish as a base, which will be a good contrast with the black and white panda. Then I'll draw his white head as a half circle at the tip of my nail. This is easy to do with a regular nail polish brush. Then I'll add large black ears using a large dotting tool dipped in black. Here you want to do these in one motion, otherwise it will be difficult to get a perfect circle. The eyes can be done the same way, or you can make them slightly oval. A small dot for the nose, which we'll work on more later. Then we can fill in the eyes with a tiny white dot towards the bottom of the oval eyes. In the end, I'm adjusting the mouth, drawing a thin line towards the bottom and a small white dot in the center. To make the panda a little more realistic, I'm also adding even tinier black dots in the center of the white ones for the eyes. On my middle finger, I'll be drawing a piggy, a really easy animal to draw on your nails. I'm starting with one coat of a pale pink polish, which will be the skin of the piggy. Then I'll take a darker pink and my large dotting tool to draw the big nose. We're aiming for a large oval here. You can always start small and then expand it later. Using black and a small dotting tool, I'll draw 2 thin lines or ovals at the top for the eyes. You could also just do 2 small dots if it's too tricky. Then I'll use my pink nail striper to draw the piggy's ears at the top. Draw a straight diagonal line towards the side and then the second one starting from the middle and meeting at the top. Then we'll finish the nose using the same pale pink as for the base, making 2 large dots in the center. To finish the eyes, I'll take a white on small dotting tool and put 2 tiny dots at the bottom of the ovals. The third animal will be a penguin. I love this one so much, I'll be doing a whole winter look with penguins this season for sure. To put him in a cute icy setting, I'll use a pale blue polish as a base color. Then I'll use the side of a nail polish brush to draw a thick black line down the center. If you want to know what more you can do using just your nail polish brush, go watch my no equipment nail art video from last week. Then I'll take white and draw the penguin's tummy as a thick white line in the center of the black one, leaving space at the top for the head. With a small dotting tool dipped in white, I'll add 2 little eyes. For the nose, I'm using my yellow nail striper, drawing a small yellow triangle or a circle, whichever is easier. Lastly, I'll show you how to draw a chicken, starting obviously with yellow, preferably a lighter shade so we don't overpower the design. Then we'll draw 2 medium black dots towards the root of the nail. For the beak, you want to take a small brush or a dotting tool, whichever you're more comfortable with, and draw an orange triangle in the center of the nail. To fill in the gap at the bottom, I'll be drawing little chicken legs using an orange nail striper. I basically want to draw a letter Y with an extra line off to the side to have 2 chicken legs with 3 toes on each foot. In the end, I'll add 2 small white dots in the center of the black ones for the eyes. And these are the 4 finished animals on my nails. I think they turned out really nice and they will be a fun addition to my day-to-day looks. If you haven't already, I suggest you watch my fall nails video to get some inspo for this new season, and also follow me on Instagram for a lot of inspiration and creative looks. Thanks for watching!